you can't say there's human rights abuse there. So they're pushing it within the same context. It's very complicated. In fact, I can't quite follow it myself because it is quite complicated. The law is very unclear. But that's what they're arguing. And so just so you can keep an eye on it, that case is going to go to the Court of Appeal in January. So we're hoping, although it won't mean that everybody will get legal aid, at least it will open the door to some people. So we're hoping. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. The question is if it's a denial of human rights because it's access to home. But what they're looking at is, yes, the initial scandal was a breach of human rights, to exile people, to lock them up, to deny them homes, deny them health treatment. But the compensation itself, because it's to do with money, because it's an economic right, isn't within the framework of human rights. And so, but the lawyers are challenging that. They're saying it is actually, as you say, it's a family life issue. It's a breach of Article 8 and also the right to a fair trial. So that's what the argument is. So that's Southwark Law Centre. So that's coming up in January. They're also representing, as you heard from Duncan Lewis, many returning residents as well in their claim, because not only do these people have difficulty in their status being recognised as having indefinite leave, but they also then have difficulties when it comes to compensation. So Southwark Law Centre are handling quite a lot of those cases as well. So that is a developing area. So obviously there's a significant number of people who are entitled to compensation who are being refused because they haven't got legal representation and because the Home Office isn't accepting that argument about returning residents, about people who are out of the UK for 2 years. So what we want, because we're very frustrated with
to change the policy in regards to how human rights is identified. Yeah. So it's like, I'm just thinking, it's just so...
Let Catherine finish her thing, and then we can pick up any questions.
Yes, I mean, yes, so there's little cases where we're trying to get... No, there are cases where we're trying to get small gains.